So I'll share this link if you want, but I think everyone has the main link. Okay, so we'll be doing these exercises today. How to create an S3 bucket in AWS using AWS console. So as always, just click on AWS logo. We can search it here as well in the services. Okay, here left side or recently visited, but we'll be following this method. Just search for S3, okay, and click on it. So you'll get this page. If you already have any buckets, you can click on the left side and check if there is already any bucket. You can create bucket from here or the previous page from here as well. Okay, so just click on create bucket. Okay, let's follow the naming convention in the bucket. Remember, the bucket is resource, means it's not generally, it's a global. Okay, it is not specific to any particular region. Okay, it can be made available globally, and the name which we will give to the bucket, it should be unique. So if you try to give the same name everyone, you won't get it. Okay, so give some different name to it. I'm giving my bucket some unique name which anyone else will not use. 19159 something like this I'll give. Okay, so just give the name for the bucket. Okay, uh, we'll learn about ACLs later. Okay, keep it default one. Okay, so we can, by default, all the public access is blocked. Okay, we'll uncheck it. Okay, because we want to access some data inside the bucket. Okay, and we need to, when you uncheck this, you need to click on I acknowledge. Okay, otherwise it won't allow us to go to the next stage. Okay, bucket versioning, we are not enabling bucket versioning. Okay, we can add some tag, but in this case we are not adding any tag, means just to check. You can say a pseudo name to it, we can give using a tag. Okay, then there are some encryption methods. We'll use the encryption method provided by AWS itself. Okay, server side encryption, and other options also will keep it as default. No bucket key, means the default option enabled. And just click on bucket. So I think I'd uploaded a file to it. Okay, yeah. So just click on create bucket. The bucket is created. Okay, so successfully created the bucket. To upload files and folder, okay, choose view details. So what we can do is just go inside this bucket, okay, and click on upload. So we can download something before uploading. So I'll just download the AWS image itself. So download any image. Okay, I'm just right clicking and saving this image on desktop, AWS logo, and just upload it. Click on add files. So the logo is uploaded. Okay, just click on upload. Close. We can see the logo is here. When you click on this logo, okay, will get an URL which you can use to access this bucket, this image. Okay, so just right click on it and open it in a new tab. Okay, so if you see, you're getting an error, access denied. Okay, so we need to provide some access to it, otherwise we cannot view it. Okay, so for that, what we'll do is just go to this permission tab. So this permission tab you can also get at the time of creating bucket. Okay, but here also we can get it. Okay, after clicking on the bucket, you get this permission bucket. uh, just go to buckets. In short, I want to tell that to there are different method to achieve the same result. Okay, so if I click on bucket, I'll get the permissions tab here. Then if I click on this logo directly, again I'll get a permission tab here. So we'll use any one of them. Just go to the bucket, click on permission. Okay, and here we need to add the bucket policy. So what is the policy? We will see that. Just copy it from here. Also we can, in case we forget to, did I click, just a minute, click on this and permissions, just click here, it's not copied. Click on edit, then it will allow. Control V. Okay, so here you should remember your bucket name. Okay, if you copy as it is, okay, so it should be my bucket, my hyphen bucket hyphen 191591. You need to change it. Okay, so better to copy it here. So if there is an error, it will show it in red color. So here what we are defining, this is a policy. Okay, so what is the policy we are defining? Allow everyone to get and list the contents of the bucket. Okay, and for which resource? Anything on the bucket and inside the bucket. Slash dollar means everything inside the bucket and this bucket name. Okay, so everything inside this resource, my bucket, allow get object and list object. That permission we need to define, and just click on save changes. Okay, just click on object, again click on the image, and we can now again browse this URL, just and we can now see the AWS logo properly. This happened only because we gave the policy. Okay, so this is how we can define permissions for any resources in AWS. Okay, so that's it for this exercise. So here our logo is different.